Have you ever found yourself wrestling with a candy wrapper? It's a surprisingly common issue that doesn't get much attention. The delicate dance of unwrapping a candy is a skill that often goes underestimated. It's not as straightforward as you might think. Today, we will turn you into a candy unwrapping expert. So, how do you unwrap a candy without a fuss? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. First, hold the candy properly. This isn't a game of hot potato, it's a delicate operation. Your fingers should cradle the candy, not squish it. Second, find the twist or seam. This is the candy's Achilles heel, the key to its sweet, sweet center. It's usually at the top or bottom of the candy, but every wrapper is a little different. Third, apply the right amount of pressure. Too little and the wrapper won't budge. Too much and you risk tearing it or crushing the candy. This isn't a wrestling match, it's a dance. Finally, unwrap smoothly without tearing the wrapper. Think of it as a grand reveal, like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Remember, it's not a race. Now here are a few tricks to make the process even easier. First, if that wrapper's giving you trouble, warm the candy just a smidge. It'll make the wrapper more pliable. Second, use a rubber grip. It'll give you a better hold and prevent that candy from slipping away. Lastly, don't limit yourself to just one type of candy wrapper. Practice with different kinds. It's the quickest way to become a pro. With these tips, you'll become a candy unwrapping expert in no time.